Sidewinder's new drum heater is designed with the user in mind. Its storage bag and lightweight materials allow for super easy storage. Installing the blanket is simple. Wrap it around the barrel, secure it in place with the military-grade hook and loop closure. There are cinch straps and buckles to provide additional support. This model fits all standard 55-gallon drums. Once installed, simply plug it into the nearest 120-volt outlet to begin operation. The integrated temperature controller comes standard with the drum heater, giving complete control to the user. It has dual screens to show desired temp and actual temp. Simply set the desired temp and let the Sidewinder do the rest of the work. To protect the controller, we've included a transparent pocket as well. When operation is complete, simply roll up the blanket to its original size and slide it back into the storage bag until further use. With Sidewinder, you've got full coverage consistency.